In this video, we look at the first step in setting up a Moodle quiz before changing any settings or adding any questions, as if all we were doing were creating a front cover and adding a title. Here is a Moodle course page. Let's add a new quiz to the section called Topic 1. Turn editing on with the dedicated button at the top right. At the bottom of the section, click Add an activity or resource. This opens a menu. Scroll down and select Quiz. A single click displays a help box on the right with an introduction to the quiz activity. For further help, go to Moodle Docs by clicking below on More Help. Click Add to create the quiz and open the quiz setup page. The quiz has 14 settings, most of which have subsettings. All of these have default values. Click Expand All to see all subsettings, and Collapse All to see just the titles of the settings. In the top setting called General, we enter a name or title, which is required. If all you want to do now is create the quiz and return to it later, you may save the quiz as it is and exit the setup page. At the bottom of the screen are 3 options to exit. Pressing Cancel will exit without saving changes, and consequently no quiz has been created, so add it again. This time, double-click to skip the Add step. We are back in the quiz setup page, and now select Save and Return to Course. But this does not work because we have forgotten to enter a name. Now it works, and the quiz has been created with a name and default settings, but contains no questions yet. Its name can be changed with editing on by clicking the pencil icon. Remember to press Enter to save the change. Its name can also be changed by going back into the setup page. Open the Edit menu on the right and select Edit Settings. Let's change the name, and this time add a description and select the option to display it on the course page. This time, exit with Save and Display, which adds an intermediate step before returning to the course by opening the quiz front page with some information about the quiz settings, plus a button to edit the quiz to add questions, as opposed to editing the settings of the quiz. From here, you can go back to the course page, where now the quiz is shown with its description. In the Edit menu, the quiz can be indented or unindented to offset it from other items in the section. It can be hidden from students, for example while it is being developed, but if hidden can still be made available, for example by a link from elsewhere, but still not displayed on the course page. Whether it is hidden by being grayed out and inaccessible, or completely hidden, is set in Course Settings. It can be duplicated and deleted with a warning step. The person icon shows the group mode, set by default to no groups, so that the quiz is taken by each individual. At this stage, clicking on the quiz shows only its name and description.